and it's wonderful and works wonders. But you please don't go crazy with this one. Recoritas, welcome to my channel. I'm Callie, and because sometimes relationships are complicated, I'm here to help you. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider to do it right now, and also remember you can hit me up on any of my social medias. Today's video is amazing because we're gonna be talking about crush hacks. I know we all have crush, or we've all had one at some point, but then you're so desperate to connect with that person that when you have him or have her in front of you, it's terrible and you feel like you're gonna die. So today I'm gonna give you amazing hacks that you can use when you're around your crush. The first hack is the one I call the popular effect. Some other people, I think they call it like the cheerleader effect. And this hack is all about the idea in his mind. What am I talking about? You know that when you go in groups, like the cheerleaders, that gives you the sense that they're popular, interesting people. So whenever you're around your crush, you want him to see you in groups as well, with your friends, like having a social life, like an active social life, instead of just seeing you alone all the time. So if he sees that you're like in groups, going to events, like, you know, getting involved in sports and things like that, he's gonna think that you have a more interesting life, and he will actually get more curious and interested in knowing you. So just keep that in mind. It's okay to let you be seen by yourself, of course, with a lot of confidence, but it's also good that you're also involved in groups, sports, or whatever, and you let yourself seen that way. Okay? The second hack is called the skin effect. Wait a minute. It's not about showing your skin to him to attract his attention. It's about showing a little bit of skin, even if it's just your shoulder or maybe a nice skirt. It doesn't have to be way too short, but something that reveals a little bit of skin, not for him, it's for yourself. It's proven that when girls show a little bit of skin, they feel sexy and confident, so that can definitely help with your self-confidence and the way you show yourself to the world. It's all about being comfortable and feeling powerful and confident. So it's not about showing your skin to attract his attention. So you're gonna show yourself that way to him, and he will just love it. Not the skin, well, maybe the skin as well, but he won't love just the skin, but he will love the entire package. Of course, if you're not that type of person, if you don't like showing skin, then use this show some skin as show something. Like if you feel sexy and confident in some high-rise blue jeans, then wear that. If you feel sexy and confident having your hair up, then do that. Like, skin is just a way of saying show something that makes you feel comfortable and confident. This third hack is probably the most, I don't know, amazing and craziest hack ever. It's what I call the horror effect. It's proven that when you go through some scary experience, like you're kind of afraid of something with someone next to you, you're gonna create some bonds with that person. You're gonna get closer to that person. So the horror effect means that whenever you have the chance to go out on a date or to hang out with your date, you look for some kind of scary, risky experience. I'm not saying go crazy like bungee jumping or something like that. No, but maybe you want to try some sport or something that can be a little bit, I don't know, maybe not scary itself, but that contains a lot of adrenaline going on. He's gonna feel very connected, and he's gonna feel like he's created a lot of connection and bonds around the relationship that you have. You might be just friends or acquaintances. So that's a really good hack, the horror effect. And of course, if you're not that adventurous, you can also go ahead and watch a horror movie, which is also a very intimate way to create this horror effect, because you're gonna keep in touch, you're gonna be connected, maybe skin with the skin, you know, you're gonna have the possibility of touching him and creating some boundaries between you guys. This hack is amazing and it's wonderful and works wonders, but you please don't go crazy with this one. This fourth crush hack is about the perfumes and the scents and the odors and the fragrances and all that. And it's that guys love good scents. They love it. For some reason, you won't believe it, but pumpkin is one of them. They might deny it, but as soon as they smell it, it's just simply really good. But if you don't have any pumpkin perfume, you know, you can just use any nice perfume, but don't go crazy with this. I mean, don't just spray the whole bottle on you, just enough to have a nice smell, you know, like I walk out like this scent, something like that, something nice and smooth, because whenever you approach him, you want to leave that sense of, that's good, you know, but just that, enough. Don't go crazy, not too much. Okay, this is fifth crush hack we have today, and it's so important. You're not even gonna believe how important this hack is. If you don't do it, you might just lose a great opportunity with your crush when you're around him. So be careful and make sure you apply this hack every single day of your life, even if you don't have or you don't need a crush. And it's brush your teeth. Keep a very fresh breath. Yes, I understand. You left home at 6 a.m. You actually did brush your teeth, but it's already almost lunchtime. Well, keep a gun, keep some mints. You know, you always want to be fresh. Not just the perfume, but also your mouth. Imagine that you ate pizza or whatever at lunch, you didn't brush your teeth, you don't have a gum, you don't have a mint, and you have to be this close doing some homework with your crush, and you have all that pepperoni, onions, tomato, cheese smell coming out from your mouth. Awful, right? So I don't think he's gonna like that. That can ruin your whole day, and actually the whole possibility of being with a guy. Kind of. Maybe not, it's not too extreme, but you know, you get the point. So brush your teeth, keep a fresh breath. And crush hack number 6, believe it or not, can be the craziest, but I can assure you that if you don't get rid of this, it's gonna be awful. You want to impress your crush? Please get rid of the doodles. No more doodles. No, no, no. You like drawing? Well, do some other drawings, but no more drawings on your notebooks, your lockers, your books, little pieces of papers all over. No, don't do that. If you already have a bunch of them, well, put them in a box, seal it really well, and leave it home. Really, I don't know, make a hole and put it in there. It's just better to get rid of them and just forget from now on, no more doodles. Can you imagine how embarrassing it can be if for some reason your crush gets to be doing homework or hanging out with you, and all of a sudden one of those papers flies out of nowhere, and it's your name, his name, and this little beautiful hearts around? No, girls, forget about that. Just don't do that anymore. Do the doodles with your dog, with your cat, with your mom and your dad. You know what? Just don't do them at all. Just forget about doing doodles. It's really nice. You know, I can admit it's super nice. Just, if you do some of those, throw them away. Right away. Like immediately after you finish doing them. Don't do them at all. Okay? no more doodles. And the last hack is the most important one, and it is be very confident and don't give him so much importance. Whenever you're around him, be respectful, be nice, be friendly, be bubbly, but keep your distance a little bit. Like, make yourself look interesting and make him feel like he has to kind of fight a little bit for you. Don't be too easy, okay? So, thank you guys for watching the video. This is all for today. Leave me in the comments if you have any other hack, and if you have a crush, what's his name? I love you very much. See you soon in another video, and please don't forget to subscribe. Bye.